public safety. Text of the message to be transmitted. The Zavala County Sheriff's Office is searching for Justine Kaylee Lopez, white, female, 10 years old, 4 feet 5 inches, 80 pounds, black hair, black eyes. Joline Kaylin Lopez, white, female, 9 years old, 4 feet 3 inches, 60 pounds, black hair, and black eyes. Ruben Lopez Jr., white, male, 7 years old. Jordan Lopez, white, male, 4 years old, 3 feet 3 inches, 40 pounds, black hair and black eyes. Jaden Lee Lopez, white, male, 11 months old. Victims were last seen at 11:25 a.m. on August 10th, 2020, in Crystal City, Texas. Police are looking for Ruben Lopez, white, male, 29 years old, 5 foot 6 inches, 150 pounds, black eyes and brown hair in connection with this abduction. Police are also looking for Roxanne Fuentes, white, female, 31 years old, 5 feet 8 inches, 120 pounds, black eyes and brown hair in connection with this abduction. The suspects are driving a gray 2008 Chevy Trailblazer with a Texas license plate number of MKV2702. Law enforcement officials believe these children to be in grave or immediate danger. Did you have any information regarding this abduction? Call the Zavala County Sheriff, U2019 South, office at 830-374-3615. News media point of contact is Zavala County Sheriff, U2019 South, office at 830-374-3615. At 5 p.m.